Good morning, children, and welcome to your maths class. Today, we will learn about number 16. Yes, S I X T E E N 16. Number 16 comes after number 15. Look at this picture and count the objects. Yes, in this picture there are 16 parrots sitting on the branches of a tree. Sixteen parrots. Let's see some more examples. 16 carrots on the grass. 16 tomatoes on a table. 'Children, in this lesson, we learned about parrots. Parrot is a beautiful bird. What do we call the place where a bird lives? Right, birds live in a nest. How many parrots are in this picture? Can you count them? Right, there are 16 parrots. Let's learn to write number 16. We can write it in numbers and in words. You can see the red dot. Place your pencil on red dot and move it on the other dots. It is very easy.
For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.